Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call on stage the person in question that you can see on the screens right now with a round of applause, please. The business advisor for Liberty Business Commercial Brokers, PiBusinessDubai.com, Mr. Wasif Khan. Now on stage, please. He's had over 12 years of business experience. Yes, so today, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a very engaging conversation also. I'm going to start off with a question. There are many factors to consider, right, whenever we're embarking on a business acquisition investment. But if I were to ask you, what are some of the key factors that are very relevant?
Well, the key factors to start with the, to acquire any business. Okay, first you need to understand that are you ready to acquire any business? Are you ready for yourself to become a business owner? Once you cross that stage that you are ready to become a business owner, then you come on the stage that where you plan to do a little bit of market research and market research of the target company that you're looking to acquire. And then you go on to the legal aspect, understanding the legal laws of the business target, and make sure that the company has all the licenses and permits, and to make sure that the company that you're acquiring is fully compliant under UAE laws. And once you have the laws in place, and then you plan to acquire a business with the assessing of the financial reports of the company and assessing of the profitability of the company, the cash flow, the stability, and finally, the most important would be the post-integration. Okay, you need to make sure that with the company that you're looking to acquire, that there is a support for you post-acquisition also. So, yeah, so once you have all these points gathered to do your valuation, then you put down your offer and then make sure your offer price is against the returns of investment that you're looking at.
Absolutely. Yeah. I think you put it very straight in the beginning of this conversation also, that you have to be prepared for this. Yeah. Because mostly what happens is that people don't really prepare themselves mentally. Right. They're just like, okay, it's just the decision we're making and that's it, let's just go with the flow. So it's not as easy as it seems, because you've given a very thorough answer to that. So sir, the next question, how do you determine the right investment strategy and criteria for your business, which is extremely important?
Yeah, the right business strategy, I would say, depends on case to case and to each its own. Like for anyone or any company that is looking to acquire another company, the needs are like very different for everyone. Okay, example, basically when you need to leverage your interest, like if you have an experience in the retail, you invest in the retail business. If you have experience in manufacturing or restaurants or F&B or technology, so you invest in that particular field. So once you leverage your interest and so that you can,
Yeah, you know, I'll ask you this very, I would say, I wouldn't use the word repetitive, but I would say it's a very relevant question over here, because I want to know all kinds of schools of thoughts over here and different thought processes as well. And we've been asking this question to almost all of our panelists over here because it's very relevant to Invest UAE. What are some of the top sectors where investors can spot investment acquisition opportunities?
Well, UAE has emerged as always been the biggest investment hub in the whole world sector, and because of its strategic location, central location among Europe, Africa, Asian market, and so for the investors to invest in different various industries, it becomes very easy for them to choose a particular business investment. And the list of it could be from retail to technology to healthcare to education.
A long list?
Yeah, a long list. I mean,
I don't think it's going to end anytime soon.
It's a long list. Example like retail, you invest in luxury goods and fashion and automobiles, or even in small daily commodities.
Right.
And then you have healthcare. Healthcare could be into any specialty clinics, hospitals. Like UAE has all the top quality of healthcare facility in the world.
Correct.
So you're looking at leveraging that as also as a business acquisition. Education, like the whole, as you know, the world, like everyone is moving to Dubai. So for their children, for education, and you can look at acquiring a business, something into, like it could be a nursery school, it could be a school, universities, basically anything to do with education, you can look at acquiring also that. Yeah.
So that is quite a wide array of options for
Yeah.
people to invest over here. So what are the most effective ways to source potential acquisition targets?
Sorry. Yeah.
What are the most effective ways to source potential acquisition targets?
Effective ways, basically, you need to first get in touch with the business advisor that you're looking at, so where you can source the right business and identify the right business that you can look into acquiring.
Right.
And once you acquire the business, then you have an advisor with you, example like me, who will walk you through the whole process of acquiring, identifying, transferring of the whole ownership, and also then you're good to go with the go ahead with the business successfully. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, you know what? I was going through his LinkedIn profile, and obviously he's had a lot of years of experience also. So, sir, I would like to ask you this one question, that in all those years in your field, I'm sure you've had a lot of learnings, but what is that one particular learning that you've had you'd like to share with the audience right now, which is relevant to Invest UAE 2025?
Like, I can't name one. Like, the best part is like when about my line of work is helping investors and to acquire a business, and in the journey of making them happy, and they acquire with the whole plan of going out with a new plan of business. Yeah, so I mean, I can't name one. It's like every journey is an experience, and every client who we meet, it's a great.
I think the journey of making people happy works for me.
Yeah,
Definitely,
exactly.
that's a good one. So, sir, what are the key indicators of a successful acquisition opportunity?
The key for successful business, the number one, what you see is basically whether the business is profitable, whether the business has a good cash flow, whether the business is giving good returns on against your investment. So that's what you're looking at. Once you have the profitable business, you already acquired a successful business, and then you are looking at a great journey, and then also whether the business is giving you a good scalability option, wherein not just about earning income, you're also looking at scaling the business, multiplying your revenue, expanding. So that's another way to look at it.
Absolutely. So the last two questions, sir. What are the key steps to ensure a successful integration of the acquired businesses?
The key to acquire a successful business is you basically contact us for acquiring a business, and I own the fastest growing business brokerage firm in the UAE, Liberty Business Commercial Brokers, and we have offices in US and also in Dubai. And you can find us online on buybusinessdubai.com, wherein you will see a selection of vetted businesses, and whether you are experienced entrepreneur or experienced established company looking to expand your portfolio, or you want, or if you're even if a first-time buyer looking to take a startup in an entrepreneurship, yeah, so you can contact us, and yeah.
Absolutely. And so you mentioned that, you're definitely right there at the top also. And I'm sure that you get all kinds of sort of feedback. A lot of people and different kinds of people interact with you also. I really want to know some of the interesting feedback you receive from people. You're like, okay, this is what people are thinking so far, what's going on in their minds, and the common mistakes people make, and you guide them accordingly.
Right. See, what happens, we are dealing with selling businesses. Okay, so the first point that comes to a client is the trust factor.
Yes.
So you need to build a trust with your client. Okay, it's not like property we can show off and we can talk more, and
it's a relationship,
yeah,
you have
so
to give it
it's
time.
Yeah, so it's a very realistic trust that first you need to build a trust with the client. Once the trust is there with the client is with you, and then you can go with the options of studying businesses, looking at the variety of companies that you can acquire. So yeah, the trust is the number one factor, which I have experienced in my journey, wherein with my clients, yeah.
Absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. I think that's a very important word also. So, sir, your take-home advice to everyone while wrapping up our fireside chat right now. Anything you'd like to add in?
Yeah, so you're looking at the Dubai or UAE as a whole platform, and wherein, thanks to our leaders, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, where they have come up with such beautiful agendas of, I don't know if you've read of D33, Dubai 33, wherein one of the points wherein they're going to double the economy, okay, in the next 10 years. And imagine if you have a double economy, the amount of business, the opportunities the UAE is going to offer you. And we are looking at the economy growing double from 14 trillion something to 22 trillion something. So that's something which is like we are looking only going upwards.
Yes, it's limitless
So
now.
It's just like you can say it's just the beginning.
Yeah.
So we are beginning. If this is top, like we're just beginning to grow. So you can look at.
Absolutely.
imagine.
I think I'd like to just sum it up over here that the party has just started for everybody. Definitely a long way to go ahead as well. Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you.
It was a
Thank
pleasure.
you.
Thank you for
Thank
giving
you
us
so much.
time. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Wasif